So here we got Isaac on the front foot, working on his front foot play, and particularly that back path, keeping it off stump. Woo! Good, well watched. Try and get that front foot closer to it. Really work hard. Move that one, Isaac, just in case. Isaac, we've got to work hard with our head and left shoulder. That's the first thing that's got to head towards the ball, yeah? And your front foot will arrive in the right place. Good. Make sure that head's coming at me, Isaac. Don't let it falling over to the offside, yeah? Straight, don't panic. Just think straight, keep your feet where they are. Don't go across, otherwise you're not inside, you're not in line with the ball. Good. Alright, don't worry. Move those two. Now it's an awkward length. No, you did the right thing. Yeah, move those two. It was hitting off stump, top of off, so, sorry, top of leg stump, round about there. No, you just keep back where you're going to bat on tomorrow. Back where you're going to bat tomorrow. Good lead. Good. Lovely timing. Good, well watched. All right, just hit it a bit early. Timing was nice. It did, yeah. What does that do to your weight? Leaning back, yeah. Okay. Isaac, if that happens in a game though, really just go through it with your hands. Don't stop the shot, yeah. You've got to think slightly clear the field. Good, well done. All right, good. Keep your balance. Work with those shoulders. Keep sideways on. Good. Good, Isaac. Very good. Keep working, mate. Watch that left foot. Keep working hard with that head and left shoulder lean. That's all right, don't worry. Don't panic. All right, get that foot across, Isaac. Get your foot across. Did you try and hit that over the top? Okay. All right, good. That head coming at the ball. Keep nice and sideways. Isaac, you just see your positioning of your left foot. It's getting too wide. You're getting your left foot way outside leg, and then you're playing the ball here. That front foot goes in line with leg stump. Once it's in line with leg stump, anything inside we know goes straight. Anything outside we clip square. We don't go wide and then block it. Because actually the ball's outside leg stump. We should be scoring off it, yeah? Yeah, keep working then. Work hard with that head and left shoulder. Keep that left toe point. Open up that left toe. Good. Keep it still. Better. What a shot. Beautiful strike. All right, leaning into it. Good. Oh! It's all right, don't worry. Yeah. Keep working. Lovely shot, Isaac. Get that foot across though. Don't want to see daylight between that foot and ball. Well played. Try and keep your balance, Isaac. Don't walk. Don't worry, don't panic. Alright, unlucky. Have a go at using your feet, try and hit it over me, yeah? Always think straight, Isaac, yeah? If it ends up going down leg, you can always drag it later, yeah? So think straight. Sharp, Isaac. That is 6 on the back pitch at Oxton, Isaac, isn't it? And again, think straight. Come on, use those feet. Use your feet. Straight. Right, watch that head. Head got offside of the ball, yeah? That head coming at the ball. What was wrong there, Isaac? Yeah, and your back path come all the way around, didn't it? Didn't come straight through. Better. Yeah, just take him out your eye line. 8 minutes to go. 8. No, just practice this hit over the top. Alright, just practice hitting over the top. Just use your feet. Practice this skill. There you go, it's 4, isn't it? Beautiful timing. Don't have to whack it, just time it. Shot, Isaac. What a cricket shot. Right, that'll go on the reel, Isaac. Don't give yourself room. Isaac, we don't give ourselves room. You come down straight and take bowled out of the equation, yeah? Come down straight and then play the ball. Get a little bit closer to it. A little bit closer to it. Shot, lovely strike. Shot, Isaac. What a shot. Beautiful shot. Well bowled, Ezra. Good, good. And again, much better now. See, by practicing it, you're going to get better at it, Isaac. Keep sideways. Isaac, don't come up when you're hitting it. Stay down there, yeah? Lean into it. You still need that timing. Alright, keep going, don't worry, keep working. Don't lean back, lean into it. There you go. Timing, isn't it? Beautiful timing. Don't come up, Isaac. Isaac, you're up here. Isaac, show me slow motion. Go down the wicket and show me slow motion, keeping your left side round. No start. Take your stance properly. And now go down the wicket and keep your left side leaning into it. Go. Stay down there. Don't come up. Look, don't hit it and come up. All right, keep working. Good, lovely. All right. Right, 4 good ones, Isaac. Come on, let's have 4 clean hits. Brathwaite v Stokes, World Cup final. There's the first one. Beautiful strike. Lovely strike. Good. 2 to go. 2 good contacts. Sharp. Threw mid on as well, Isaac. See, your back path has allowed you to do that, hasn't it? Last one. 6 to win. One more. One more. Because I said last one, 6 to win. It put all the pressure on you. Relax, yeah? Last one, 6 to win. Oh, great strike.